This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Pregabid Me 150mg Capsule is designed for individuals suffering from neuropathic pain. This medication combines Pregabalin and Methylcobalamin to provide relief and improve nerve function. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of neuropathic pain, which may arise from various causes, including nerve damage or disease. It is particularly effective for patients suffering from conditions like diabetic neuropathy, postherpetic neuralgia, and fibromyalgia, providing significant pain relief and improving the quality of life. How it works. Pregabid Me works by combining the effects of Pregabalin, which modulates pain signals in the nervous system, and Methylcobalamin, which promotes nerve regeneration and enhances myelin production. Directions for use. Take this medication exactly as prescribed by your physician. Swallow the capsule whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. The dosage and duration will be determined by your healthcare provider based on your specific medical condition, age, and body weight. Possible side effects. Possible side effects include dizziness, sleepiness, headache, dry mouth, and weight gain. If any adverse effects persist or worsen, consult with a healthcare professional promptly. Precautions and warnings. Before using this medication, inform your healthcare provider if you have any history of substance abuse, kidney or liver issues, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Caution is also advised when driving or operating machinery due to potential drowsiness. FAQs. 1. Can it affect fertility? Yes, men should be cautious as it may pose risks related to male-mediated teratogenicity. 2. Can it cause weight gain? Yes, fluid retention may lead to weight gain. 3. Is it addictive? Yes, it has potential for substance dependence. 4. Can I stop taking it abruptly? No, consult your doctor for a safe discontinuation plan. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We're here to help.